Most people beg for attention. Like starving animals, they walk into a room and immediately start talking to whoever is closest. They ask questions, they fill silences, and in doing so, they broadcast one thing louder than any word. I need you more than you need me. The person who never speaks first operates by a different set of rules. They understand that the first word in any interaction is a confession of need. This analysis breaks down exactly why speaking first signals lower status, how to weaponize silence to make others approach, and the specific psychological mechanism that forces strangers to chase you. Watching through the final moments reveals the loyalty loop, a technique that makes a stranger feel indebted to you after only 60 seconds of your silence. When two people meet, the one who speaks first has already lost ground. That first word, whether hello, how are you, or what do you do, is an admission that they cannot tolerate the unknown. They need to fill the space. The silent person has revealed nothing. They have committed to nothing. They hold all the cards before the game begins. In high-stakes negotiations, professional interrogators know this. They sit in silence after a suspect finishes a sentence. 3 seconds pass, 5 seconds. The suspect's heart rate climbs, their breathing shortens. Then they speak again, not because they have something new to say, but because the silence feels like an accusation. They add details they meant to hide. They contradict themselves. They confess. Interrogation transcripts show that subjects speak 40% more words when the interviewer stays silent after an answer. The same principle applies to social settings. A coworker says something incomplete. Stay silent. They will fill the gap with exactly what they were avoiding. A salesperson quotes a price. Stay silent. They will lower it before you open your mouth. The human brain treats social silence as a problem to be solved. This is called the vacuum effect. When conversation stops unexpectedly, people feel physical discomfort, a tightening in the chest, a need to fidget. Their brain generates explanations for the silence. Did I say something wrong? Is he judging me? Does she know something I don't? Most people try to solve the problem by speaking. They fill the vacuum with small talk, questions, or nervous laughter. But the person who creates the vacuum, the one who stays silent, never has to work. The other person's discomfort becomes a motor that drives them to approach, to explain, to offer unsolicited information. Watch this in any networking event. One person stands at the edge of a group, silent, looking at nothing specific. Within 2 minutes, someone will walk over and ask, "Are you waiting for someone?" or "Have you met the host?" The silent person answers briefly, then says nothing else. The newcomer, now committed, will keep talking to avoid looking foolish. They will share their job title, their frustrations with the event, their opinion of the speaker. All of it volunteered, all of it free. Status is not granted. Status is taken through the refusal to move for the comfort of others. Find a power anchor, a physical spot where your back is protected and you have a clear view of the entrance. Stand there. Do not shift weight. Do not bounce on your heels. Feet planted hip-width apart, chin level, shoulders relaxed, but back. This stillness creates a visual magnet. People's eyes are drawn to the person who is most comfortable not moving. They assume that stillness equals confidence. Confidence equals value. Value equals approach. Now add the turn. Angle your torso 45 degrees, away from the main crowd. Face slightly toward the exit or a window. This signals openness. You are not hiding, but unavailability. Your body says, "I am here, but I am not waiting for you." People must adjust their path to face you directly. That physical adjustment is their first investment. Investment creates ownership. They have already worked to stand in front of you. Eye contact is the most aggressive non-verbal weapon. Most people use it wrong. They hold eye contact too long, creepy, or avoid it entirely, weak. The correct method: scan the room slowly once. Lock eyes with a target for exactly 2 seconds. Then look away first. Do not smile. Do not nod. Do not change your face. This brief hit, followed by dismissal, creates a mystery that the other person's ego cannot ignore. Their brain asks, "Why did he look away? Was I not interesting enough? Does he already have someone better to talk to?" They will approach to solve that mystery. At a corporate happy hour, the junior associate who locks eyes with the senior partner for 2 seconds and then deliberately looks away first will be approached by that partner within 90 seconds. The partner assumes the associate is occupied with higher-value conversations. Status flows to the one who looks away first. Data from social psychology experiments confirm that the person who breaks eye contact first is perceived as higher status. The one who holds on too long is seen as needy. Smiling is a reward. Rewards must be earned. Almost everyone smiles too early, when they make eye contact, when someone walks toward them, when a stranger says hello. Early smiling says, "I am relieved you noticed me." That is need. The correct sequence: blank face during eye contact, blank face as they approach, blank face for the first 2 seconds of their opening sentence. Then, only after they have committed to the interaction, a slow, slight smile, not a grin, not teeth, a small, controlled upward curl of one side of the mouth. This delayed smile releases dopamine in the other person's brain. They feel they have succeeded at something difficult. They will work harder to earn another smile. You have done nothing except withhold. While waiting to be approached, do not look like you are waiting. Look like you are solving a problem. A micro frown, the slightest downward pull of the eyebrows while staring at a phone or a drink, suggests deep thought. It signals that your internal world is more important than the room around you. Others see this and wonder what you are thinking. They want to be the one who brings you out of that thought. They want to be the hero who makes you smile. Curiosity becomes compulsion. They approach not because they have something to say, but because they want to know what is happening behind your eyes. Once the stranger is talking, most people make the mistake of giving full attention. Full attention rewards them too early. It says, "You have me." The correct response is half attention. Look at them most of the time, but glance away at key moments when they make a serious point, when they ask a question, when they laugh at their own joke. This half attention triggers a panic response. They think they are losing you, so they talk faster. They add more details. They repeat themselves. They escalate emotionally. All of this spills information. You collect data on their insecurities, their desires, their weak points. They leave the conversation feeling drained. You leave with a complete psychological profile. Mirroring, copying someone's posture and tone, is a known rapport-building technique. Inverse mirroring is how you dominate. When the other person speaks fast and high-pitched, you speak slow and low. When they lean forward, you lean back. When they gesture wildly, you keep your hands still. They will unconsciously lower their energy to match yours. This subconsciously registers as following: they are now inside your frame. You set the rhythm. They adjust to you. This shift happens in less than 60 seconds, but creates a lasting power imbalance. A job candidate who speaks quickly and nervously will slow down if the interviewer maintains a calm, low voice. The candidate will feel more comfortable, but also more submissive. They will reveal weaknesses they intended to hide. Standing with a friend creates a natural barrier. But if you leave a small physical gap between you and your friend, a space just wide enough for a third person to step into, that gap becomes a vulnerability bait. Strangers see the opening and feel invited to fill it. When a newcomer steps into the gap, ignore them for the first 2 minutes. Keep talking to your friend. Do not make eye contact with the newcomer. Do not acknowledge them. They will feel like a ghost. Their discomfort will grow. Then, after 2 minutes, turn to them with a warm but brief comment. "Sorry, what were you saying?" Or, "I didn't catch your name." The rush of relief they feel, the dopamine hit of being seen, will make them instantly loyal to you. You ignored them, then saved them. That is a powerful loop. They will remember you as the person who was kind to them, even though you were the one who caused their discomfort. When someone finally speaks to you, do not respond immediately. Wait 1 full second, then slowly turn your head to face them. This delay proves that your internal world is more important than their interruption. It forces them to wait for permission to continue. That 1 second feels like 10 seconds to the speaker. Their brain interprets the delay as, "This person is considering whether I'm worth their time." They will start the conversation already humbled, already trying to prove their value. You have not said a word. When you do speak, use short sentences, 1 or 2 words when possible. Yes, no, interesting, go on. These minimal responses force the other person to keep carrying the conversation. They will fill every silence. They will explain, justify, elaborate. Each elaboration reveals more about their motivations. In a study of sales negotiations, the party who spoke less than 30% of the time won better terms 78% of the time. The silence forced the other side to make concessions just to keep the conversation moving. After the stranger has been talking for a few minutes, interrupt with one deep question. Do not ask, "What do you do for work?" That is small talk. Ask, "What is the thing you care about most that no one ever asks you about?" This question catches them off guard. They have been expecting shallow banter. Instead, you have asked for vulnerability. They will answer honestly, often too honestly. They will share a fear, a dream, a regret. And once they have shared that, they will feel a subconscious need to justify why they shared it with a stranger. Their brain will tell them, "I only share deep things with people I trust. Therefore, I must trust this person." That is the social debt. They will now treat you as a friend, even though you have revealed nothing about yourself. You have gained loyalty without earning it. After they finish answering your deep question, do not respond. Let the silence sit for 3 full seconds. They will say something else, another detail, another confession. Keep silent. They will say more. They will contradict themselves. They will reveal the real truth underneath the first truth. This is the pressure pause. Interrogators use it to extract confessions. Therapists use it to get patients to self-diagnose. You can use it to get anyone to tell you exactly what they are afraid of, what they want, and what they will do to get it. While the stranger is still talking, begin looking at your watch. Glance toward the door. Shift your weight slightly, as if preparing to leave. Do not announce that you are leaving. Just signal it. The stranger will notice. They will speak faster. They will try to make their point before you go. They will offer more interesting information to keep you there. You have not said you are leaving. You have only suggested it. Their fear of losing your attention makes them work harder. When you finally do leave, say nothing. No goodbye. No nice to meet you. Just turn and walk away. They will be left standing there, unsure if the conversation ended or if they did something wrong. That uncertainty will keep you in their head for days. They will approach you again next time, eager to resolve the loop. the most powerful application of silence is the loyalty loop. It works like this. Speak first, never. Wait for them to approach. When they do, respond with a short answer. Then ask a debt question. Then go silent while they answer. Then use the pressure pause. Then give a delayed smile. Then look away. Then ask another debt question. Then go silent again. This loop forces them to keep proving themselves. Each time they speak, they invest more emotional energy. Each time you stay silent, they feel they have not yet earned your approval. They will keep trying and trying and trying. After 5 minutes of this, they will have revealed more to you than they have to their closest friends, and they will walk away believing you are the most fascinating person they have ever met. You said almost nothing. You asked 2 or 3 questions. The rest was silence. When the conversation reaches its peak, when they have just shared something deeply personal, stop entirely. Do not respond. Look them in the eye with a small, cold smile. Say nothing. Let the silence stretch. 7 seconds, 10 seconds. They will be the one to end the interaction. They will say, "Well, I should go," or "Nice talking to you." They will leave confused, unsettled, and magnetized. They will replay your silence in their head for hours. They will wonder what you were thinking. They will want to find out. The predator does not say goodbye. The predator simply stops engaging. The silence is the final leash. What happens when someone tries this on you? The reverse vacuum is your defense. When someone stays silent to pressure you, do not speak. Return silence with silence. Wait. Most people using this technique are not prepared for someone who refuses to flinch. They expect you to fill the gap. When you do not, their own tool turns against them. They will break first. They will ask a question. They will make a comment. And now they have spoken first. You win. In a study of hostage negotiations, the party who remained silent after a demand was made, without counter-offering, without speaking, won concessions 63% of the time. The silence forced the other side to fill the void, usually by lowering their demand. Apply this to any situation where someone tries to pressure you. A boss asks a difficult question. Stay silent. They will answer it themselves. A partner gives you the silent treatment. Stay silent back. They will crack first. A stranger tries the vacuum effect on you. Hold. They will approach. They will speak. They will lose. Look at every interaction through this lens. The first person to speak has already confessed need. The silent person holds all leverage. This is not rudeness. This is not arrogance. This is the accurate reading of human status detection. People move toward power. Power does not move toward them. The next time you walk into a room, stand still, say nothing, watch who comes to you. That person has already decided. You are worth chasing. The only thing left to decide is how much they will reveal before you let them stop.